Just put baking powder on popcorn kernels and you're gonna thank me. This is amazing. That's right, folks. You've probably never made popcorn this way before, but when you find out what it's for, I'm sure you want to try this at home. And this tip, folks, is quite simple. First, you need a pot. Before turning on the heat, add a little bit of cooking oil here. After that, take some popcorn kernels and put them in the pot. Now, let's turn on the heat. And then stir constantly until the kernels start popping, okay? Up to this point, just do it the traditional way. Look, it started popping. Time to cover it. Now, let's just wait for the popcorn to be ready. The popcorn is now ready and also cooled down. Now, let's do the following. Go ahead and grab a container with a lid. Then start picking up the popcorn, and with your hands, go ahead and do this. Look, crash the popcorn very well, okay? Do this and put in the container. And just look, folks, it's gonna look like this. See? Nicely crushed. Next, this is what we're gonna do. Go ahead and add 1 tablespoon of regular refined sugar here. Put it there. Then we're also gonna add some baking powder, the one we use for making cakes, okay? Let's add the same amount here, 1 tablespoon. Put it here. Alright, now cover the container. Then you need to shake it a little bit to make sure the ingredients mix well, so go ahead and shake it well. Now check this out, folks. This is how it's gonna look like. See? It has to be well combined. Now our tip is ready. And here, folks, what have we just made? This is a wonderful homemade poison for roaches and rats. That's right. But especially for roaches. And how does it work? Here they are attracted by the smell of sugar and also by the popcorn itself. Then they end up consuming it. However, they also eat the baking powder along with it. And these creatures cannot digest the baking powder due to its composition, so they are eliminated. That's why this poison is so effective. Once this done, you can do the following. You can keep it stored, and then whenever you want to use it, just take some small containers. Then just go ahead and put some in these containers. I'll do it with just 2, just to show you guys. Put it here. And then go ahead and place them in the strategic places around the house where you notice those insects. I like to leave one especially where we store food. We used to clean this place every time, but we still saw some roaches around, and then this solved my problem. Just take the container and leave in the corner. And in no time you see all the roaches disappear. Another good place, folks, is under the sink or wherever you store the pots. We used to see many roaches there as well, so you just need to place another one in this corner. And after that, your problem will be solved. However, be careful with this. If you have any pets in your house, you need to make sure to put it in safe places where they can't access. That's why I like to leave them in the cabinets, because you put it there, then close it, and your pet won't come near it. Okay, folks? If you don't have any pets, just place it anywhere you notice any roaches or rats passing by. This poison is very effective, okay? It's definitely gonna solve your problem. And also, you won't spend any more money buying products at the store, which are almost always expensive and often harmful to our health. But not this one. You won't have that problem with this. So, that's it. Try this at home. I'm sure you're gonna love the result.